Credit scores range between 300 and 850 points. If yours is between 580 and 600, it's not great. It's rated as poor by VantageScore and fair by FICO. It reflects a history of derogatory marks on your credit report, like missed payments. Unfortunately, your score makes it harder for you to get unsecured credit cards or loans, and any credit that you do get will probably have a high interest rate. If you want to buy a house, you're eligible for government-backed mortgages from the Federal Housing Administration, but not for conventional mortgages, which aren't secured by the government. To fix your score and regain access to credit, you should pay off your debts, continue to make on-time credit card payments in full each month, and dispute any errors on your credit report. To check for errors, go to annualcreditreport.com to request yours once a year for free from the 3 main credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you're struggling to pay off correctly reported debts, contact a nonprofit credit counselor to get help. Just make sure they're legitimate and affordable. It'll probably take between 16 months and 7 years for your score to fully recover. In the meantime, any unsecured credit or loans that you do qualify for will probably have high interest rates. However, you can pay a deposit to get a secured credit card with your current score and use it to build up a positive payment history while your score recovers. To take the next step towards better finances, watch these videos.